how tasty does a butterfly look to you? My guess is probably not very. But to a bird they might look like a good meal. The queen butterfly, found in northern and southern USA, gets around this problem by tasting disgusting. The caterpillar of this species eats the leaves of plants like the Carolina willow. The chemicals of this and similar plants make the insect taste like aspirin. If you've ever chewed an aspirin, you'll most likely not want to do it again. So if a predator eats the queen butterfly, it won't want to repeat the experience, and so learns to avoid that species. Not all butterflies taste disgusting, so how do other species prevent predators from eating them? The Viceroy butterfly might not taste as bad as the queen, but it has evolved to look like it. So much so that predators can't tell the difference, and so avoid eating both species. This is an example of biomimicry, specifically Batesine mimicry. This is where one species, usually harmless or tasty, mimics the physical or behavioural properties of the poisonous or bad-tasting model animal. This doesn't just happen in butterflies, but in many animal species. You'll probably be familiar with the yellow and black striped stinging insects like bees and social wasps. But many flies and hoverflies, even moths, copy the warning coloration even though they may not have the ability to sting. King snakes are harmless, so they are vulnerable to predators. But coral snakes are venomous animals who can defend themselves well. By mimicking coral snakes, king snakes are able to deter predators. Let's go back to the Viceroy butterfly because there's something interesting about this particular species. Researchers wondered why populations of Viceroy butterflies were so abundant in areas of Florida where the queen butterfly is absent. If predators do not have the bad taste experience of eating the queen, why would they avoid the Viceroy? In Florida, it was found that the Viceroy feeds on the Carolina willow, the same kind of plant that produces the aspirin-related toxins. To pests, these aspirin-related toxins may be deadly, but caterpillars have evolved ways to avoid being poisoned by the plants. By possibly storing them in fatty bodies, Viceroy caterpillars keep the chemicals out of their metabolic processes and they live unharmed. When the Viceroy lives alongside the queen butterfly, it likely discards the toxins when it metamorphoses from caterpillar to butterfly. But researchers found that when the Viceroy lives independently from the queen butterfly, it keeps the toxins, making the Viceroy unpalatable to predators. This discovery changes the way biologists think about mimicry. The relationship between the Viceroy and the queen butterfly once fell into the Batesian mimicry category as explained earlier. But when it was discovered that Viceroys had the ability to taste nasty, the butterfly's relationship was recategorized as Mullerian. There are no models in this mimicry theory, only co-mimics. Two different animals that look the same and are both unpalatable. But this particular study has made the researchers realise that the Viceroy doesn't fit into either category, and that mimicry can no longer be sorted into just two categories. Well, thank you for watching today. My question to you is, what examples of mimicry can you think of? Let me know down in the comments section. I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, let me know by leaving a like and a comment, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.